Elise here, global artistry expert for Too Faced Cosmetics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a really easy and fun peach eye look using our Sweet Peach palette. I love this palette because not only does it have the best selection of hand-picked colors, but it's also infused with a scent of juicy peach. It smells so good! Let's get started. To start, we're going to go in with shadow insurance. This is going to make sure that her shadow stays crease-proof, smudge-proof, waterproof all day long. Using the all-over shadow brush, apply Peaches and Cream to the high point of the brow bone, blending down towards the crease. This helps to brighten and lift the brow bone. And you just want to pull it down from the crease all the way down to the lash line. This is one of my favorite base shades from the palette. It looks good with any eye look. Next, I'm going to apply Candied Peach into the crease and lower lash line. This is going to help shade and contour the lid. When I'm going in with a bright color, I like to press it into the eye instead of going in and sweeping right away. This is going to help you get less fallout. Next, I'm going to apply Candied Peach under the eye. Peach and orange colors are extremely complementary to blue, so this is really going to make her blue eyes pop. Next, I'm going to apply Just Peachy to the crease of her eye. This is going to create even more of the sunset effect. Next, I'm going to apply Luscious, which is a beautiful pearl peach color, to the inside lid. I like to apply this from the inner corner over using a pressing movement. Next, I'm going to blend Delectable in the outside corner of her eye just to smoke it up a little bit. It's a gorgeous smoky amethyst color. Next up, we're going to finish with my favorite mascara, Better Than Sex. It is so volumizing, up to 1,944%. For the second coat, I'm going to go on top of the lash. That's really going to help build the volume. For the last coat, I'm going to bump the lashes back with the wand by simply pressing into the lash. Alright guys, I hope you love this look. Thank you so much for watching. As always, wear it proud. And don't forget to own your pretty.